You've used the stand-up straight to strengthen your middle back muscles, and now it's time to stretch them. You'll find a doorway, reach through it, and grab it with your thumb down. Step forward with the opposite foot, and lean back until you feel that stretch in between your shoulder blade. And hold for a count of 10. Contract that muscle by trying to pull your arm to your body, and hold for a count of 5. Relax that contraction, let the body move back into a new stretch point, and hold for a count of 10. Contract the muscle again and hold for a count of 5. Relax it and lean back even more, and hold for a count of 10. And that's how you stretch the muscles in between your shoulder blades.